Hey there, it's Bootsomeone here. This is a Miele W1 washing machine. It's a WMB 120 WCS. Down the bottom here on the left of the machine is a little button. Push that in. That lets you pull out this little door, and then you open up this thing here. So I've got a cloth down to catch any drips, and there will be a bit, probably a litre of water, so I'll need to do this a few times. Open it slowly, and it lets out some water. Coming out nice and clean, which is usually a good sign. Well, here we are, and there's some bits in the filter, little bits of fluff and that. Nothing major. You can't pull out. There must have been something metal there. A bit of fluff up around, I think, the top. So give that a rinse and a clean, get all that stuff off it. Looking inside, you can see the impeller blade there at the back. You can just check that with your hand, and it should kind of flick across as if a magnet's holding it still. There's a bit of silt on the bottom. I'll clean that out and then screw it all back together again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you later.